Welcome back, guys. And if suddenly you realize that your Samsung phone is not turning on, or it has suddenly turned off and not turning on, you are finding black screen. In that case, what will you do? Don't worry, this video I will show you some solutions to fix this problem. Means you can also what type of problem this video will attack is when you are pressing the power on and home page is not coming, or black screen of your phone is always there, it is not going, or you have downloaded any app and now your phone is not getting turned off, or you have not used a phone for such a long time and your phone is not turning on. So why is your Samsung phone not turning on? There may be many reasons. The phone has been flooded during this time, or the installed applications is not compatible with the phone version, or there may be charging issue, or your phone screen is damaged, or there may be issue with battery, or your any of hardware may be malfunctioning. If your Android phone is not this phone Samsung phone is not charging, then there are 7 8 things I am going to tell you should do before seeking any professional help. So the very first thing is charge your phone. See here, clean here charging port, blow some air, clean with the toothbrush, and then put the charger. See your phone is charging or not. If your phone is lying somewhere for so many days, may battery has drained completely, so you need to charge for some time. Put the charger cable and leave the phone for 1 hour 2 hour, charging will start. And if charging is starting and you are seeing here the battery display, then your problem might get solved. But if you are still getting the problem, then just replace the charger and the cable also. Maybe your charger is damaged or cable is damaged, so put new cable and new charger and then try to recharge. If it is charging, then your phone will on, otherwise it will not on. In that case, just forced restart your phone, means your phone will off. I will tell you. Just I will switch off. Okay. Now your phone will in this state. Now just press the power and volume plus button for some time simultaneously, and then see what will happen. Yes, it will go into the recovery mode. Okay, now reboot system. Now just press the power on and see if it is booting. If the screen is coming, then your phone might be okay, and just charge your phone after that. If it is not working, then boot your Samsung phone in safe mode. How will you boot? I will explain you after restarting the phone. I will come back then. So phone is starting. Now I will tell you how to boot your phone in safe mode. So just keep it pressed power button for some time. Once keep it pressed for some time. Now what will happen? See, it has not started it. Keep it pressed. This screen will come. Now press the power off button for some time and then safe mode will come. Just touch it and your phone will be restarted in safe mode. If it is restarting, means you have downloaded some applications in recent past that are making your phone not working correctly. So just identify those applications, uninstall that, and then try to charge your phone. Your phone may work. If it is not working, then restore factory settings. How? But I will strongly recommend not to do this. If you have, do not backup. So just if you have backup and you know how to restore it, then only you do this. How to do this? Go to the settings, search for reset go to reset, then reset again, and here factory data reset. But no, this will erase all the data of your phone. So if you know how to restore the data, then only you do it. So after that your problem is still coming, then please find the professional help, seek the professional help, go to repair shop and check for it. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.